What a nice day in this white square military. Nothing, and I mean nothing, could come along and oh no! It's this thing! Gotta go on the tiny tank right here. Oh no! Eat my bullets! And I can barely see. You knew! All I have is knife. You know the things. I feel like I'm going insane. Alright, let's try and find out another tank. Okay, maybe not that one. So does a kid. Doesn't he? Oh, this one's strong. Wait. Aim for his head. Got his head. We got him. Aim for the head. Oh, come on. You can't shoot the head? Is that hard to shoot the head? Oh, it's there, I think. Come on. Fire! That's good enough. Wait a minute. Oh. The tank! I don't know how the tank, but it flipped. Oh no. Ah! I can't. So working. I missed. Fire at his face. I think it's the other get it. Why is the thing firing? You gotta do it again. Change the animation. Again. Well, at least that's shoot at its hands. At least kill it somehow. Change weapons? What's this? Something. Shoot it! Shoot it! Kill it! Fire. He's firing at its head. Fire! Oh, we're still recording. Really let myself go. Let's see what else you got. You got this. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna do it. Oh no, the tanks! All the tiny people in the tank. Yes, spinning gun. Should be able to take out his face, I think. Wait a minute. What's going on? The thing got shoved into the car. What I meant that I do that was who cares? Yeah! Ooh! That's a good shot. Let's try to do that again. Got one. It's on fire, that's good. I'm surprised this thing isn't dead. Maybe it's toast. Let's shoot his feet. If it can't walk, you can easily defeat it. You know what? There, that's good enough. Oh, just look at that cut. Wait, can I place, let me just do something. Wait. And boom. Perfect. I'll place this bomb. Well, let's see what else. Let's see what else random stuff we can do. I got this thing. It's a regular thing. Something. Point is, I downloaded another helicopter. I don't know what it is, but I'm just gonna call it the Hawk, cause it said Hawk like the bird. So let's open this thing. Oh, well, that's pretty fancy. Alright, 499er. Let's go. How do we? Well, I'm doing something. Let's see. How do we? Fancy light. Okay. Interior light. We got C. Yaw. What is yaw? Oh, these are the wrong buttons. What's yaw? Yaw is that. Don't know what yaw is, but it's how do we get off the ground? Ah, there we go. Let's get up. Now this is a real helicopter. Oh no! Oh, gotta get this. Come on, Earth, you stupid thing! Get in there! Oh, shoot! Well, we're flying. Yeah! No! What happened? This is for really not good. Now let's check out this. Oh, right. We got the vehicle. Oh, wait, I'm the booster. Let's just see how high we can go. Alright, we're here. Alright. Oh no! Ah! No. Do not fall. No. Not fall. No. Well, that was something. Let's try and find something else. Here's Mr. Velocity. I don't care. Point is, let's get in there. Oh, right. This. Okay, I'm pretty sure I've seen this. It says a bunch of stuff, and I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm not gonna do that. Plus, I've heard it. It just if you watch Teardown Filler Part 3, you know it just sounds like a bunch of stuff in a language that I don't understand. But you people that understand, good for you. Or maybe bad for you. It depends on what makes you. Alright. Just got off on my trip to India. Let me just get my look. Alright, time to terrorize this place. Alright. Now, I feel like for this, I'm gonna make this. I have to destroy this area in the most creative way I can do it. And I think I got that. Hi-ya! Let's get a laser. You see, it's simple. The top area will stow to the bottom, and then it will eventually burn the whole place down. Now that's just my original plan was to saw the top off with the laser gun, so that I could drop down into the church, destroying anything that's in there. And you know what? I'm gonna go with that. Oh, there's a bell! Oh, that changes everything. Now, where's the line? Oh, it's getting cut. Oh! Ring, ring, ring! Oh! This is cheating. The fiery parts will come down. But I gotta find a better way to destroy this just this. Even if it looks really cool. What do I do? Oh, I have an idea. What about we make this more interesting for us all? I use this sometimes in videos, but what if we added a xeno mix? A ton. See, they can't open the door. Oh! Let's see the outside damage now. How? One second, I gotta send these things beyond. There we go. Ooh, I have an idea. It's gonna be amazing. Watch. Kool-Aid? Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Where's that thing? Ah! Eat it! Oh crap. One second. Let me get something out of my pocket. It's this! Take that down. Alright, let's get this stuff out of the way. Rocket launcher. Oh yeah! Oh, this is a little window where we can watch it. Can't really see that much, but with this, I could barely see it all. Oh, it's fire! Maybe you need some. Look at that dude's face. See that dude's face? I didn't just grab a scammer. God, this stuff is giving me a shot. That's fine. Get away! Eat! Hey, how's it? Is there? Hey! Take that! No! Jesus, that's got some good recoil on it. Hey, buddy! What? Defeat now, sucker! Got him in the left. Oh, I think I've done my job here. But it feels like it's missing something. Ooh, I know. You gotta send an airstrike. So let me try to find it. Oh! I haven't shown this one in like a little bit. Maybe I showed it in the last episode. But the point is, it's hungry slime. Oh. I just got an idea. This was, I think, from all the way in Teardown Filler Part 1. Basically what it was is that there'd be some giant mother sugars, and they'd try to crash into the house. So, the problem is that they damaged themselves while doing it, making it, and these guys are, let's just say fragile. One shot in the head and they're dead. That's how it goes. Seeing this, back in the day, I used to make them as torture devices. For every new mod I install, I'd be able to test on these subjects. And yes, I know there's a map for that. I have that map. Point is, I like to do some weird stuff with these things. Ooh, like this one. It's organ. I call this one the booming organ. Basically, I shove a bunch of nitroglycerin into his guts and blow it up. But that's not what. I downloaded a new weapon, which, if you point you up to, I bet a lot of you have. You know. I just gotta find it. No, maybe somewhere. Oh. I don't know what this is, but well, now we do. What is it? Here? Oh, here, yes. Oh, we need a sentry. Look at this. Hey, Maya. What? Oh! What's that? I just gotta. It does the thing. No more doing the thing. Whoa! Patches. What? Will that thing shut up? Shut. Well, at least my body's intact. You what now? My body? Oh, come on! You couldn't let my body live? yes, the statue and stuff. You have to remove that too. Oh, I didn't name this one, but I'm gonna call this the Brain Blast. Oh, I love it! I might sound like a psychopath, but this is a game. It's not because of anything. It's just because of the effects. Not really a... Oh, the blindsided one, eh? Oh, help me, please. Hey, buddy, you might want to shut up that arm. Why? Because then it's gonna get removed. How? Oh, I'll show you. One second. Let me just get my gun. Tommy, not too strong. What's this? Yeah. Oh, my arm. Oh, I have an amazing. Did this thing still move? Yes. Slap a deck. Slap. Wow, that's pretty strong. And you got there, eh? Yeah. Body your head. Wait, I have an idea. It's a headless horse. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Alright, let's drag you in the air. And shut your limbs up. They hurt. They sound like hell. Oh, I'll save you for later. You can sit here. You can just rest your back. I'll put you here and shut off all your limbs. Single. Stop dangling your arms. That's bad. Ah. Stop. I suggest you shut up. I did not actually think that would work. What now? What's it? Do you have a... Oh, yes, he does. Yeah. Oh, no. Perfect. Well, no. I'm gonna save you. This guy, he's gonna have a little ride first. Oh, what's going on? What the hell? Do you feel that? That's the sound of your limbs wanting to come off. Why don't you rest your breath? You don't know how much I love that. I love to do this. Oh, I just had the perfect idea. Ah. Ah. That wasn't what I was trying to do, but at least I have another head. Alright, join your little buddy Bill over here. So, what? Do you play games or... Oh! Sorry, that doesn't sound right. You're not supposed to talk, move, or do things. You do a little bit of your go. What do you say? Okay, 1 second. I gotta burn this guy. Yeah! Burn! You just say anything? No? Okie dokes. Take me, haha. More flame. More flame. I said boo, I said boo, and I said I don't really know how this thing works because it never really shows me. So, hey buddy. I think he can still feel his body. 1 second. Huh, still talking about mouth. That's interesting. 1 second. Let me just. I want to see what a burning body looks like, but I'm gonna leave that to later. Alright, let's let this baby burn for, I don't know, 10 minutes or 10 hours. So oh! I got... Ooh. Oh, I just dragged his whole intestines out. See that? That's intestines. My intestines are literally into oblivion. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ah. Oh. That just looks like I'm giving someone the... Let me just shove this in. Shove this in. Boom! I'm gonna tear off that butt. That butt is gone. Intestines. God! I don't know how I'm able to do that. Break it down for you. You want a lesson? Let me break it down. Let me try and see if this is good. I think it has, but let's still let it burn for the sake of letting it burn. Oh, wow. Oh, 1 second. Let me put the fire out on you. This guy's still nothing. But let's put the fire out to see if he will stuff the other way. Clear head. Other than that, still looks like a pig. He's pig face. God, pig face. He no longer have a face. I hate you, Matthew. What is that? Oh, I love you. What? I love you. I love you. I love you, Matthew. I love you. Good answer. Now I must sacrifice. What? No, 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 no! You're lucky to be alive. I'll give you that much. I'm gonna just break down the rest of his skull for him. Oh, still some weird skin. Let's just blow everyone up. What? Please! Yeah, there's multiple ways you can still have them. You could still think of a new way? Like change us? You probably should have said that, but I'm a go. Oh dear. Let's make you get the ballad. By what? Hungry Heart. Their job. That's what they do. Hey mate. Hold on, guys. Look at this spear. Anyway, back to explosions. Alright guys, that's all folks. Yippee.